Why is the modernization of the military and the strengthening of alliances more crucial than ever? This question is not merely academic, but reflects the current state of global affairs and the strategic moves of the US Air Force. In the early days of April, Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall, Chief of Staff of the Air Force General David W. Alvin, and Chief Master Sergeant of the Air Force David Flocy journeyed to the Philippines. Their objective? Bilateral engagements to fortify the US-Philippines alliance, a testament to the importance of international bonds in modern military strategy. The very next day, these high-ranking officials found themselves at Kadena Air Base, a facility designed for great power competition. Observing its capabilities, they underscored the need for modernization and timely budget approvals from Congress. A clear message was sent. The future of the US Air Force depends on technological advancement and financial support from the nation's lawmakers. The US Air Force doesn't just focus on hardware, it also values its people. This was evident in the launch of the Year of the CYP Hero campaign. This initiative aims to recognize the contributions of child and youth programs professionals throughout the year 2024. It's a move that shows the Air Force's commitment to its community and the importance it places on the welfare of its personnel and their families. Various other initiatives and resources were highlighted during this time. Education and licensure scorecards, spouse employment support, and expanded military parental leave are just a few. These underscore the Air Force's dedication to personal and professional development, and its understanding that a strong force is built not just on advanced equipment, but on well-supported individuals. In summary, the US Air Force is taking a multifaceted approach to maintaining its global position. It's strengthening international alliances as seen in the Philippines. It's pushing for modernization and financial support, evidenced at Kadena Air Base. It's recognizing the contributions of its community and providing support to its personnel, shown in the Year of the CYP Hero campaign and other initiatives. So why is the modernization of the military and the strengthening of alliances more crucial than ever? Because it's the strategy that the US Air Force is employing to navigate the complex landscape of the 21st century. It's a strategy that combines technology, diplomacy, and community, and it's a strategy that aims to ensure the continued success of the US Air Force.